Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever worried about someone plugging in a USB drive into your PC and potentially compromising your data or system? Whether you're managing a shared computer at home or a network at work, controlling USB access can be a game changer. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to block USB devices on Windows 11 using the Local Group Policy Editor. Stick around because, by the end, you'll have full control over your USB ports. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's address the big question. Why would you want to block USB devices? Here are a few scenarios. First, USB drives are often used to transfer files, but they can also carry viruses or malware. Yikes! Second, in office settings, unauthorized file transfers can lead to data breaches. Lastly, let's not forget accidental deletions or overwrites caused by curious hands. So, whether it's for security, privacy, or just peace of mind, controlling USB access is essential. Now, if you're not familiar, the Local Group Policy Editor is a hidden gem in Windows. Think of it as the control center for your Windows operating system. It's a powerful tool that lets you configure all sorts of settings, from security policies to user permissions. But before you get intimidated, don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. I'll walk you through every step. The best part? It's built right into Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. If you're using Windows 11 Home, hang tight. I'll share a bonus tip later. Alright, let's get hands-on. In my case here, I connected my external storage. Follow these steps to block USB devices. Press Window plus R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. In the left-hand pane, go to Computer Configuration. Then, Administrative Templates. Then, System. Then, Removable Storage Access. In the right-hand pane, look for policies like All removable storage classes, deny all access. And double-click it. Select Enabled. And click OK. Plug in a USB drive to see the magic happen. Windows will now block access to it. In my case, I will go back to the File Explorer to try to access the external drive. You see, I have been denied access to the external drive. And don't worry, this method does not affect other peripherals that use the USB port, such as printers and scanners. If you're on Windows 11 Home, don't worry. While the Local Group Policy Editor isn't available, you can achieve similar results using the Registry Editor. Just be cautious, editing the registry can be risky if you're unsure what you're doing. If you'd like a detailed guide on that, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, smash that like button and share it with someone who might need this. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And hey, what tech challenges do you face? Drop a comment below, and I might cover it in the next video. See you soon.